Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Apex 3 keyboard. In this video I'll show you how to adjust illumination of your keyboard. Firstly, via gesture you can change keyboard brightness level. You can do it by pressing simultaneously SteelSeries button and F11 and F12. Then you can go to SteelSeries engine, go to Apex 3 settings and enter illumination. Now you can select illumination zone, change widgets global illumination, color shift, effects for the colors, and adjust many more. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.